I'm not doing the whole thing. You should follow the next part, same setting.
हेडफोन्स कवर ఎక్కడున్నా అక్క తీసుకున్నావా सर
don't know from where it is coming. In the sky, upper part should be darker color and lower part same color. You should do very lightly. Always. Upper part in the sky should be darker than the lower part. That means you should do lower part very lightly.
Ma, Appa earphones ivva. Appa earphones.
Okay, that's all for today, children.
Thank you so much, sir.
Pranam
We are very,
Maharaj
Ji, we are very thankful to our dear Himangshu ji.
Pranam Maharaj.
Now please take screenshot, ji.
1 minute, sir. అక్కడ పెట్టు.
జడ్డులా ఓవరాక్షన్.
Now we learn some chanting bhajans, ji. Now this some new chantings is there. Please గట్టిగా repeat చేయండి, repeat loudly. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః.
శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః.
హరి ఓం.
హరి ఓం.
సహనావవతు.
సహనావవతు.
సహనో భునక్తు.
సహనో భునక్తు.
సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై.
సహ వీర్యం కరవావహై.
తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు.
తేజస్వినావధీతమస్తు.
మా విద్విషావహై.
మా
ओम शांति शांति शांति।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
शन्नो मित्र
शन्नो मित्रः
संवरुणः
संवरुणः
शन्नो भवत्वर्यमा
भवत्वर्यमा
शन्न इन्द्रो
इन्द्रो
बृहस्पतिः
बृहस्पतिः
शन्नो
शन्नो
विष्णुरुक्रमः
विष्णुरुक्रमः
नमो ब्रह्मणे
नमो ब्रह्मणे
नमस्ते वायो
नमस्ते वायु
त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षम्
तमेव प्रत्यक्षम्
ब्रह्मासि
ब्रह्मासि
त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षम्
त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षम्
ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि
ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि
ऋतं वदिष्यामि
ऋतं वदिष्यामि
सत्यं वदिष्यामि
सत्यं वदिष्यामि
तन्मामवतु
तन्मामवतु
तद्वक्तारमवतु
तद्वक्तारमवतु
अवतु माम्
भवतु माम्
अवतु वक्ता सारी अवतु वक्तारम्
अवतु वक्तारम्
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
हरिः ओम्
हरिः ॐ
भद्रं कर्णेभिः
भद्रं कर्णेभिः
शृणुयाम देवाः
शृणुयाम देवाः
भद्रं पश्य
भद्रं पश्ये
मोक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवागम्
तुष्टुवा
सस्तनूभिः
तस्तनूनिः
वशेम
वशेम
देवहितम्
देवहितं
यदायुः
यदायुः
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो
वृद्धश्रवाः
रुद्रश्रवाः
स्वस्ति न पूषा
स्वस्ति नः पूषा
विश्ववेदाः
विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो
स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो
हरिष्ठनेमिः
अरिष्टनेमिः
स्वस्ति नो
स्वस्ति नो
बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ
हरिः ओम्
हरिः ओम्
नमो ब्रह्मणे
नमो ब्रह्मणे
नमो अस्त्वग्नये
नमो अस्मये
नमः पृथिव्यै
नमः पृथिव्यै
नमो ओषधीभ्यः
औषधीभ्यः
नमो वाचे
नमो वाचे
नमो वाचस्पतये
नमो वाचस्पतये
नमो विष्णवे
नमो विष्णवे
बृहते करोमि
बृहते करोमि
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
हरिः ओम्
हरिः ओम्
यश्चन्दसाम्
यश्चन्दसा
वृषभो
वृषभो
विश्वरूपः
विश्वरूपः
छन्दोभ्यो
छन्दोभ्यो
जमृता
जमृता
सम्बभूव
बभूव
समेन्द्रो
समेन्द्रो
मेधया स्पृणोतु
मेधया स्फुरणोतु
अमृतस्य
अमृतस्य
देवधारणो
देवधारणं
भूयासम्
भूयासं
शरीरं मे
शरीरं मे
विचर्षणम्
विचर्षणं
जिह्वा मे
जिह्वा मे
मधुमत्तमा
मधुमत्तमा
कर्णाभ्याम्
कर्णाभ्यां
भूरिविश्रुवम्
भूरिविश्रुवं
ब्रह्मणा
ब्रह्मणा
कोशोऽसि
कोशोऽसि
मेधया पिहितः
मेधया
श्रुतं मे
श्रुतं मे
गोपाय
गोपाय
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
हरिः ओम् तच्चयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे संचतुष्पदे ओम शांति शांति शांति।
शांति शांति शांति।
हरिः ओम।
हरि ओम।
मधुवाता
मधुवाता
ऋतायते।
रुदायते।
सॉरी। ओम मधुवाता
मधुवाता
ऋतायते।
रुदायते।
मधुक्षरन्ते
मधुक्षरन्ति
सिन्धवः।
सिन्धवः।
मान्धीर्न
माद्रेण
सन्तोषधीः।
सन्तोषति।
मधुनक्ता मुतोषसि।
मुतोषसि।
मधुमत्वार्तिवगम् रजः
रजः
मधुद्योरस्तु
मधुघोरस्तु
न पिता
न पिता
मधुमानो
मधुमानो
वनस्पते
वनस्पति
मधुमागम् अस्तु सूर्यः
अस्तु सूर्यः
मान्द्विर्गावो
माद्भिर्गावो
भवन्तु नः।
भवन्तु नः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
हरिः ओम्।
हरिः ओम्।
वाङ्मे
वाङ्मे
मनसि
मनसि
प्रतिष्ठिता
प्रतिष्ठिता
मनो मे
मनो मे
वाचि
वाचि
प्रतिष्ठिता
प्रतिष्ठिता
मा विराविर्मा
मा विराजिर्मा
यदि वेदस्य
वेदि वेदस्य
मा अनिस्तः
मा अन्येष्टः
श्रुतं मे
श्रुतं मे
मा प्रहासि
मा प्रहासि
रणेनादीते
रणेनादीते
नाहोरात्रान् सन्ददाम् मृतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि
सत्यं वदिष्यामि
तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्
अवतु वक्तारम्
Sorry. Avatu Vaktaram.
avatu vattaram
Avatu Vaktaram.
avatu vattaram
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
shanti shanti shanti
Harihi Om.
harihi om
Purnamada. Purnamidam.
Purnamidam
Purnat.
Purnat
Purnamudachyate. Purnasya.
Purnasya
Purnamadaya. Purnameva vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Shanti Shanti Shanti
Harihi Om.
Harihi Om
Wow, wonderful, ji, fantastic. Now we learn some bhajans. Bhajans also we revise little. Omkareshwara Vinayaka. This bhajan already you know, once we learnt. Please get repeat and repeat loudly. While repeating, please remember Lord Vinayaka. Omkareshwara Vinayaka.
Omkareshwara Vinayaka
Omkareshwara Vinayaka.
Omkareshwara Vinayaka
Jaya Gananatha Gajavadana.
Jaya Gananatha Gajavadana
Jaya Gananatha Gajavadana.
Jaya Gananatha Gajavadana
Mangaladata Bhavaharana.
Mangaladata Bhavaharana
Mangaladata Bhavaharana.
Mangaladata Bhavaharana
Suramuni Sevita Shubhacharana. Suramuni Sevita Shubhacharana. Siddhi Vidata Bhayaharana. Siddhi Vidata Bhayaharana. Mangaladata Bhavaharana. Mangaladata Bhavaharana. Suramuni Sevita Shubhacharana. सुरमुनि सेवित शुभ चरण सिद्धि विधाता भय हरण सिद्धि विधाता भय हरण ओंकारेश्वर विनायक ओंकारेश्वर विनायक जय गणनाथ गज गरे गजवदन जय गणनाथ गजवदन मंगलदात भवहरण सुरमुनि सेवित शुभ चरण सिद्धि विधाता भय हरण सिद्धि विधाता भय हरण ओंकारेश्वर विनायक जय गणनाथ गजवदन Wonderful ji, fantastic. Now we go to our Vandana ji class, Subhashitam.
Jai Ram Krishna children, please wait, I'm sharing the screen. Wait. Can you see the screen? Yes. Now first repeat after me the words. Later we'll learn Subhashitam. Satyam bruyat.
Satyam bruyat.
Priyam bruyat.
Priyam bruyat.
Na bruyat.
Bruyat.
Satyam apriyam.
Satyam apriyam.
Priyam cha.
Priyam cha.
Nanrutam bruyat.
Namrutam bruyat.
Today little tongue twister, okay? Nanrutam bruyat.
Namrutam bruyat.
Esha dharmaha.
Esha dharmaha.
Sanatanaha.
Sanatanaha.
One more time, children. All of you are reciting, right? Those who are in mute and unmute, all of you are reciting, right? Okay? Start again in a louder way. Satyam bruyat.
Satyam bruyat.
Priyam bruyat.
Priyam bruyat.
Na bruyat.
Nambruyat.
Satyam apriyam.
Satyam apriyam.
Priyam cha nanrutam bruyat. Oh, wonderful. Full line you're telling. Very good. Priyam cha nanrutam bruyat. Esha dharmaha sanatanaha. Uttamam. Now we'll recite the Subhashitam. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Priyancha nanrutam bruyat. Esha dharma sanatanaha. Esha dharma sanatanaha. Uttamam, ati uttamam. Ekanimisha. Artham avagachati va. Artham, getting the meaning. Satyam bruyat, priyam bruyat. Bruyat means speaking. So whatever we are speaking, we should speak what? We should speak satyam. We should speak only truth. Priyam bruyat. We should speak in a good way, sweet way. Okay. So that others will can understand and really feel good listening to you. Okay. Priyam bruyat. Okay. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Now coming to one more thing. Don't talk, don't speak satyam. Even it is truth, apriyam. Then it is hurting someone. So you should not speak a harsh word. It may be truth. It may be truth. Whatever you're speaking, that is right. But you should not express that in a harsh way. It hurts others, no? You should not hurt others. In the same way, priyam cha nanrutam bruyat. Then again, Subhashitam is telling, oh, so I'm telling you to speak in a good way, don't harsh word. It doesn't mean that you speak lies in a good way. Like you're lying something but telling very sweet way. It should not happen. Even in sweet way, you should not speak the lies. Nanrutam, asatyam. We should not say asatyam in a sweet way. So we have to speak truth. We have to say in a sweet manner. But we should not speak lie in a sweet manner. In the same way, we should not speak truth in a harsh way. So very difficult. Okay. And it is difficult to follow, but it is possible to follow. See, I'm showing in the picture, you can see one guru is telling this to Shishya. This is our Guru Parampara. Guru always tells us the same thing. And Sri Ramakrishna tells this thing. We should not hurt people by saying truth on his face or like in a harsh way. We should say that. We should express the truth alone, but in a good way. We should not lie in our life. Sri Ramakrishna gives no exception. Should not lie at all in life. But it should not be so harsh way to express. Okay? Speak what is true, speak what is pleasant. Speak not what is true, but unpleasant. Nor what is pleasant, but not true. This is the path of the eternal morality called Sanatana Dharma. Our Sanatana Dharma says. So children, what we should speak? We should speak truth or lie?
Truth.
Truth. Oh, that is clear. So when telling the truth, we should tell it in a pleasant way or a harsh way? Pleasant way. Okay, you have one truth. You have to tell that, but it hurts others. Should you tell that truth?
No.
In a harsh way?
No.
No. Lasya is telling no. Okay? So in the same way, if you have one lie and you can express that in a good way, you are lying to your mother or someone. Should you do that?
No.
No, yes, you should not lie, or even you should not tell truth in a harsh way. It is very difficult, but you all should meditate on that. Why? What is the Subhashitam? You have to understand this. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
let us chant together. Let me chant one line. You chant after me. Then, without seeing, you send in WhatsApp group. Okay. I
Okay,
know
ma'am.
you all are very good children, and you will speak only truth, but too in a pleasant way, in a good way, sweet way. Okay. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat.
Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat.
Na bruyat satyam apriyam.
Na bruyat satyam apriyam.
Priyanchananutam bruyat.
Priyam chanantam bruyat.
Esha dharma sanatanaha.
Esha dharma sanatana.
This rule I'm not telling today. It is our Sanatana Dharma rule coming from long back. This rule. Okay. Apriyam means in a harsh way. People won't like. In that way, we should not speak. Okay. One more time. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat.
Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat.
Na bruyat satyam apriyam.
Na bruyat satyam apriyam.
Priyam chananrutam bruyat.
Priyam chanantam bruyat.
Nanrutam means which is not truth. Priyam chananrutam bruyat.
Priyam chanantam bruyat.
Esha dharma sanatanaha.
Esha dharma sanatana.
Esha dharma sanatanaha.
Esha dharma sanatana.
Very good. And you, I know you all are you have great memory. Let's chant two lines together. Okay, two small lines. Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat. Na bruyat satyam apriyam.
Satyam bruyat priyam bruyat. Na bruyat satyam apriyam.
Uttamam. Priyam chananrutam bruyat. Esha dharma sanatanaha.
Priyam chananrutam bruyat. Esha dharma sanatana.
Not Isha. Esha dharma sanatanaha.
Esha dharma sanatana.
Very good. And here I'm seeing 8 participants raise their hands. So you all are very excited to tell this, right? Children, so God is listening to you. And the people around you will listen to you. That's why you need not to tell here, but practice well. And I am there in WhatsApp group now. I want to hear your voices. All of you practice well and chant this in our WhatsApp group. I will listen there, okay? I'll wait for your Subhashitam, your sweet voices, Priyam voices, pleasant voices. Astu? Jai Ramakrishna.
Jai Ram Krishna.
Thank you, Vandana ji. No moral lessons. Now, some 2-3 quotations. Ji, please repeat. Gattiga repeat cheyandi. All power is
All power is
within you.
within you.
You can do
You can do
anything
anything
and
and
everything.
everything.
Believe in that.
Believe in that.
Do not believe
Do not believe
that
that
you are weak.
you are weak.
Stand up
Stand up
and express the divinity
and express the divinity
within you.
within you.
Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda.
Wonderful. Ji. Now, second one. As long as
As long as
I live,
I live,
so long
so long
do I learn.
do I learn.
Sri Ramakrishna.
Sri Ramakrishna.
Very nice. Ji. Now, third one. When
When
you are doing
you are doing
any work,
any work,
do not think of
do not think of
anything beyond.
anything beyond.
Do it as
Do it as
worship.
worship.
Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda.
Fantastic. Ji. Last one. God is
God is
everywhere,
everywhere,
but
but
He is
He is
most manifest
most manifest
in man.
in man.
So,
So,
serve man
serve man
as God.
as God.
That is
That is
as good as
good as
worshipping God.
worshipping God.
Sri Ramakrishna.
Sri Ramakrishna.
Wonderful, Ji. Now, what is our lesson number first?
All power is within you.
Wow, wonderful. Lesson number 2,
Think not your way.
lesson number 3,
Hard work.
lesson number 4,
Fearlessness.
fearlessness. Lesson number 5,
Compassion.
lesson number 6,
Exercise for health.
lesson number 7,
Violet spoon.
lesson number 8,
At our home.
at our home. How many of you have taken your blessings of your parents, father, mother, grandparents, when morning? You can chart to. Please raise your hands. I want to 13 raised hands. 15, 16, 17, 16, 16, 18, 19. Wonderful, very fantastic. Ji. They say start your day with positive. After you are getting up, you have to take blessings of your parents, father, mother, grandmothers, grandfather, etc. It is we need their blessings. We have to seek their blessings. So wonderful. See, they work for you. They purchase for you. They give so much time for you. So morning you have to take blessing. Next week also I will ask. At least I want to see 50 hands. Now 16 students they raise their hands. Okay, Ji. Now lesson number 9. What is our lesson number 9?
Good manners.
Super, wonderful. Lesson number 10.
Violet play.
Lesson number 11.
Violet express.
Violet Express.
Super, wow. Now, I will. How many of you read that PDF? Please raise your hands. 17 raise their hands. Previous lesson, how many you read? Now, hands down. All of you, hands down. Please, hands down. Previous lesson, Violet play. How many of you read? See, only 15 students read. I want to, otherwise we have to read it in class. G. Okay, G. Next class also I will ask, please read afterwards, after class. Very small, simple sentences you like. Please read a PDF. Then what is our story number 1, anybody? Story number 1. You can chat also, anybody. Story number 1. You can type also, chatting. You can do. Arjuna and Bhima, Sai, Naga, good, wonderful. Story number 2.
Story number 2.
Newton and Apple.
Newton and Apple.
Super. Story and G. Story number 3.
Story number 3. Hari the Lion.
No, balloon seller and student.
Oh,
496 Sai roll number. Hari the Lion, correct.
Hari the Lion.
5
5.
Carpenter story.
Carpenter.
6
6.
hardworking farmer.
Hardworking.
Naga, yes, Naga. I told you. 7
7. Om practice ayanama.
oh, your name, Pushkalava.
Sir.
Gee, wonderful, very nice. Om practice ayanama. 8
8.
Naren's
Naren's courage
and presence of mind.
presence of mind.
9
9.
mother dear.
Mother dear and baby dear.
Super. 10 unselfishness is.
Unselfishness is more painful.
11
11.
Gorilla and Yama. 12 student at.
School.
13 mother and daughter at.
Home.
14 calm farmer and horse at. Farmer and horse at home. 15 good customer and orange seller.
Seller Amma.
16
16.
brother, sister and gentleman.
Man shopkeeper.
Shop owner. Okay, ji. 17 Krishna and Krishna and
Balarama.
Balarama. Super. 18 Hanumanji to Lakshmana, to save Lakshmana, where he went, what he brought?
Airavata Parvatam.
Hey, to save Lakshmana. What he brought? Something he brought na. What he brought?
Airavata Parvatam.
Airavata. Hey, some mountain he brought na. What mountain?
Sir.
Oh. What is the mountain? Name of the mountain? By flying he brought. First he went, he saw mountain is big. Then he thought, I can develop myself. I can grow myself. I can correct my mistake. Pencil we write, we can erase it and we can rewrite. So I can develop. He grown more than the problem, more than the mountain. Then mountain looked like very tiny. Then he easily carried and brought to save, brought to Lanka to save Lakshmana. What is the mountain name? One hint, S-A. S-A-N.
Sanjeevana Parvatam.
Sanjeevana Parvatam. Oh, what is your name?
Pushkala, sir.
Pushkala. G. Now, wonderful. Afterwards you read PDF. Oh, very nice. Bus you are traveling, you should not stretch your hand outside the window. You should not put your head outside the window while traveling. And see, theoretical one, you get practical experience. It becomes, you become more broad-minded. Your experience become more nice. You will be more experienced. And like that. The PDF afterwards you read G. Now, story number 19, 99 Club. What is our story number 19?
99 Club.
99 Club. See, what happened when staff was there, servant, he working under one king, but servant is very happy always, very joyful, always dancing, he is doing his work perfectly, nicely was doing. King used to like him very much. He is very happy mood, joyful mood. That's why king used to like him. Then he asked his minister, what is the secret? That servant is very happy always. Then king, the minister told to king, see king, he did not join 99 Club. Then he told, king told, what is 99 Club? Okay, I'll show you, tomorrow I will tell. Today I will make him join 99 Club. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will tell you. Then that day night, minister went. For servant and his family were sleeping. It was dark. That time, what he did, that minister, one gold pot, gold coins are there, so many gold coins. That pot, he covered with some cloth. He put in front of servant home, the door of the near to the door. Morning, servant woke up. He opened door. He saw a big pot. He opened that pot and saw so many gold coins. And his family, his children, everybody happy. Morning, they got big lottery, big bonus. So they were very happy, dancing, etc. Then slowly they counted. There is 99 gold coins. Then they worried little. See, it is only 99 is there. Somehow we have to make 100. Actually, one gold coin costs so much rupees. They have to work 1 year, 2 years like that. So they all family members suggested we will make it 100. Then he also worried how to make 100, how to work hard. So he started working hard. He was started little depressed, worry. Somehow I have to make 100. Somehow I have to make 100. Like that he was worrying. Then his happy mood gone. His peace of mind gone. He was a little depression. He went. How to make 100? He was worried. Then he was working under the king Naji. There also he was not happy, not joyful. And he was always worrying, I have to make 100. How to make 100? He was worrying always. See, 99 is there. He would have happy. But he want to make one more extra he want. So then king noticed that changes. Then asked, see, all these years he was very happy, joyful, dancing, singing songs, doing his work nicely. Now why he became unhappy now? His mood is not good like that. King asked to minister. What is the secret? King asked to minister. Minister told, oh king, now he officially joined 99 club. Officially he now at present, you want to make it 100. See, we have good parents, good relatives, good teachers, good city. And somebody having children, only one leg, one eye, or God has given us so much. We have already 99. But we want one more thing. God has given us what we need. God has given what we need. We should be thankful to God. But God may be not given what we want. But whatever we need, food, good home, good parents, good friends, good teachers, everybody, good well-wisher, God has given. In spite of that, we are not happy. Means we are members of 99 club. God has given us everything. Then also we are worrying, we are not happy, we get angry, we hurt others. In spite we have everything. So we should be always thankful to God. We should not join 99 club. Whatever we have, we should be happy with that. So what is story number 19? Anybody? 99 club. What is our story number 19?
99 club.
Super. Story number 20, three stone cutters. You know this story, already know, no? Don't know.
Yes, sir.
You know this story? 3 stone cutters? Maybe not. One, so, 3,
Three stones will be.
you know already the story. Okay. Another story, difference between Swargam and Narakam. Some persons, one group of people wanted to see what is the difference between Swarga and Naraka. What is our story number 20? Difference between Swarga and Naraka. Ji. Note down somewhere, difference between Swarga and Naraka, story number 20. Some people went to, what is the Naraka? There they went to visit, they went to Narakam, saw it is like 5-star hotel. Every facility is there. In kitchen, so much 64 items. So. Then also people are not happy, they are quarreling, they are fighting each other, there were so many people angry, etc. There is a kitchen, while eating, please don't fold your hands. One condition is there in kitchen or dining hall. While eating, please don't fold your hands. Then what happened? People, they cannot fold their hands, so they cannot eat. That's why they're quarreling, fighting. These people got afraid, visitors. They came away, they went to Swargam. Swargam, like your home, small home, everybody cheerful, everybody happy, everybody joyful, everybody peace of mind, everybody healthy. Then in kitchen, dining hall they went, only 10 items were there. Then also people were very happy. There also one notice was there. While eating, don't fold your hands. While eating, don't fold your hands. What happened? They saw these visitors, one people taking food, feeding another one, opposite person. Another one taking food, feeding opposite one. That way they're not folding hands, but they're serving each other by straight hands. That way helping each other, concern for each other, love for each other, they made Swargam. So we should help each other. We should concern for each other, love for each other. Second one, we should not join 99 club. We should be happy with what we have. We should be happy with 19 gold coins. We don't want any extra. Whatever, it becomes greedy. We want extra, we become greedy. So, we should not join 99 club. What is our story number 19?
99 club.
Story number 20?
Difference between Swarga and Naraka.
So, super. Somewhere you note down, G. Next time, effortlessly you can tell. Effortlessly you can. Super. So many students, we are not able to give voice facility. Some nice will come. Super G. Yes, Naga. Difference between Swarga and Naraka. Sri Harsha. Good, wonderful. Very nice. G. Now we go to our one fantastic teacher, our dear teacher, Smriti Garu. Thank you. I'll make.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Ji, thank you.
Jai Ram Krishna students.
Jai Ram Krishna, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
where are you? Can't see you.
Yeah, just one second. Jai Ram Krishna students, can you see me now? I have switched on the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jai Ram Krishna, how are you all today?
Fine, ma'am.
Are you feeling good? Energetic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So last class, I think, did you enjoy the coding game that we played?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? Okay. I would like to thank these children. Really, they made a good attempt and they had posted the answers in the group. So Nagamit, Sai Kirtana, Sadhya, Kaushik, and Pushkala. Thank you so much. You all attempted so nicely and you had sent it in the group as well. Really appreciate your efforts. So I believe other children also had attempted, but probably you forgot to send it in the group, isn't it? Isn't it?
Ji.
Yeah, it's fine. It's okay. As long as you have enjoyed the
Thank you
game,
so
and
much.
as long as you have enjoyed the game and as long as you have played the game, that is fine. Okay. So today, before starting today's game, right, I just wanted to like give you the answers because I thought rather than just posting it in the group, if I tell the answers in during the session, then more people can get to know, right? Some children might not be following the group messages. So last week's game, what was it? That you have to code the letters using numbers, isn't it?
Numbers. Yes,
Like
ma'am.
A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. So you have to code the letters using numbers, and I will tell a number, and from that number you have to tell a name, place, animal, and a thing, right? So what was the first number? The first number was 15. How many
15.
people got it right? 15. What does 15 stand for? Sarvagna is raising her hand, so probably
ma'am.
she got it right?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, correct. So the first number was 50 and it stands for letter O. So I can just give you an example. Name starting with O. What it could be? Ojas. Ojas is a name, right? Starting with O. Then coming to place. Can you tell me a place? It could be Ooty, right? You must have all visited Ooty. It's a
Ooty.
beautiful place, isn't it?
Oh.
Ooty. So animal, octopus,
Oval.
owl, octopus also. And then thing, oven.
Oven.
O1 and anything like that. Okay. So this was the game that you code the letters using numbers, and I will give you a number and you're supposed to write a name, place, animal. So Gyani have written ostrich. That's also right. Okay. So the first letter I gave you was O and that was 15. The second one was 24. 24 is what? X. Correct. Third one was 9. 9 was I. Correct. See, you're all very brilliant students. Huh? Fourth one was 12. 12 was 12 is, I mean, L.
L.
L. So L, you know, so many names, right? Lavanya, so many names. Okay, then fifth one was 6. 6 is
6.
F.
ma'am.
F, correct. Seventh one is was 17. So 17 is
Q.
Q, correct. Next is 21. 21 is what? U, that's right. Next is 3.
3. C.
C. C, right? Easy. 3. A, B, C.
ABC.
Then 23.
Water. Oh, W.
W, correct. Yeah. 20.
20. T.
Correct. T. Okay. Then 10.
10. J, ma'am.
J. Correct? J. Yeah. J. Jasmita. See, your name is only starting with J. And then 18 is R. Oh, sorry, I only gave you the answer. So 18 is R.
R.
Okay. 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 So that was a coding game, and I hope you all enjoyed playing it and writing one name, place, animal, and things starting with those letters. So today we'll play another game. This is English grammar game. Okay. So what is it?
English grammar game.
Yeah. So you all are studying English and studying grammar also, right? So I thought, okay, let's play a game. Testing your English grammar skills. Okay. So let's start. So first I thought I'll prepare a PPT and I'll play a video so that you can watch the video and write the answers. But then I thought, no. Let me not prepare a video. Let me give some exercise to your ears. We do exercise for the complete body, right? Hands, legs, everything. So what do you mean by exercise for the ears? Anybody? Exercise for the ears.
Hearing.
Yeah. So I am not going to give you the questions. Like you will not correct. Debasmita is saying hearing, and another person, I think he or she said listening skills. That's correct. That's the proper answer. Listening skills. So I will ask you a question. You will not see anything on the screen, so you can't read by yourself. I will not post it in the group also. Because some people I'm seeing, they're not concentrating in the class. They will wait for the questions to come in the group, which I don't want to do. I want everybody to concentrate in the session or during the session. Okay. So let's start. Give exercise to your ears. You listen to the question and then you answer. And then after the class, you don't have to do anything because many students will tell, ma'am, we have homework. We don't have time. So I don't want to give you any work after the class. So now during the session, just listen to the question, write your answer and just post it in the group. Okay, done?
Okay, ma'am.
Done. Okay. So like I said, this is grammar quiz on English grammar. Okay. So let's start. The first question. Complete the sentence. Okay. Complete the sentence. Where dash the pens? They are on the table. So that's the question. Where dash the pens? They are on the table. What is that dash? Is it where am the pens, or where is the pens, or where are the pens? Correct. Many of you are pinging me the answer. That's right. Whatever you're pinging me is right. That's good.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. We dash in class 3. We dash in class 3. What is it? We dash in class 3. Is it we am in class 3, we is in class 3, or we are in class 3? Okay. Done. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third question. My brother dash a pupil. My brother dash a pupil. My brother am a pupil. My brother is a pupil. My brother are a pupil. Yeah, many people have pinged the answers. That is good. You are all very good at English grammar. Nice. Everybody's pinging the right answer. Okay. Next one. Dash your school nice. It's a question. Dash your school nice. Yes, it is. That's the question. It's a question actually. Dash your school nice? Question mark. Yes, it is. That's the question. Dash your school nice? Question mark. Yes, it is. Okay, next one. I dash in the classroom. I dash in the classroom. I am in the classroom. I is in the classroom. I are in the classroom. What is it? I am in the classroom. I is in the classroom. I are in the classroom. Oh, today I'm getting a lot of answers. So many children are answering. That's good. I hope you all post it in the group also. Don't spend time after this session. Just write now and then you can post it after the session. Okay, next the sixth question. The teacher dash near the board. The teacher dash near the board. Is it the teacher am near the board? The teacher is near the board. The teacher are near the board. So that's the question. The teacher dash near the board. The teacher am near the board. The teacher is near the board. The teacher are near the board. Okay. I think most of you got right. We can move to the next question probably. Okay. From next question, I will not give you options. Like until now, I was giving you options, right? Like am, is, are. From next question, I will not give options. You write your answer. The desks dash on the carpet. The desks dash on the carpet. So I'll not give you options now. You write your answers. The desks dash on the carpet. Jasmita, it's the desks. It's a plural. D-E-S-K-S. Desks dash on the carpet. Okay. Next, listen to the question carefully. You have to complete the sentence. Is your bag on the chair? No. After that, what could it be? What could be the answer? Complete the sentence. Is your bag on the chair? No. Complete the sentence. What it could be? Is your bag on the chair? No. Try properly. Is your bag on the chair? No. It dash. Is your bag on the chair? No. It dash. That's the answer. It and dash. What is it? Shri Harshit, correct. That's the correct answer. You have all studied question tags. Have you studied? Okay, no. Okay. It's okay. You just try. If you don't get the answer, it's fine. I'll give it to you later. Because when I said it is your bag on the chair, some people have messaged, no, it's not on the chair and all that. But it's a little different answer. Is your bag on the chair? No, it dash. It and only one word you have to write. Okay, let me give you a clue. Just one word. Because many of you have written answers like it is on the sofa, it's not on the chair and all that. So let me give you a hint. Is your bag on the chair? No, comma, it, one word answer. After it, only one word. What it could be? What it could be? Now see, everybody's getting the right answer. Now everybody's getting the right answer. So is your bag on the chair? No, it, and one word. Jasmita, you also got it. Now I think everybody's getting the right answer. So I repeat, is your bag on the chair? No, no, it, and one word answer. It dash, only one word. Nadal, just think one more time. I'm asked, the question is your bag on the chair? After that, there is a no, and then it and dash, one word answer. Okay. Nice, Debosmita. I think Karthik also got. Okay. Okay, let's go. If you don't get, that's fine. I will give you the answers later. Just try. Next, ninth one. Okay, ninth answer. Dash in the lesson. Dash in the lesson. Dash in the lesson. Okay, for this is a little tough, right? I'll give you options. Is it don't sleep in the lesson, or eat in the lesson, or sleep in the lesson? Dash in the lesson. Okay. Is it don't sleep in the lesson, or eat in the lesson? Eat in the lesson, or sleep in the lesson? What do you think is the right answer? Dash in the lesson. Don't sleep in the lesson, eat in the lesson, or sleep in the lesson? Just try. I'll give you the answers later. So I'll repeat. The question is dash in the lesson, and there's an exclamatory mark. Dash in the lesson. Is it don't sleep in the lesson, or eat in the lesson, or sleep in the lesson? Karthika, it's correct. Nadal, it's right. Vaishnavi, should you sleep in the lesson? Vaishnavi, should you be sleeping or should you be alert? Okay, Pratyut, it's right. Okay. Okay, it's okay. You try whatever you get, it's fine. I'll give you the answers later. Okay. Next, 10th one. Okay, 10th one. Dash, your brother got a black bag, and question mark. Dash, your brother got a black bag, and question mark. So what it could be? Do you want options for this, or you can write it on your own? You can write it on your own, or I can give you options. Options are: have your brother got a black bag, or is it has your brother got a black bag, or is it can your brother got a black bag, or is it do your brother got a black bag? What's the right answer? Have your brother got a black bag? Has your brother got a black bag? Can your brother got a black bag? Do your brother got a black bag? You want me to repeat? The question is, dash your brother got a black bag. The options are, you listen to it, you will only come to know which is the right sentence. Have your brother got a black bag? Has your brother got a black bag? Can your brother got a black bag? Do your brother got a black bag? Okay. So I gave you 10 questions, correct? I've given you 10 questions. So I think many of you have participated very well today. Thank you so much. I saw so many people pinging the answers. So just post it in the group. I'll have a look. And at the end of the day today, maybe I'll give you the answers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Jairam Krishna. See you next week.
Jai Ram Krishna, ma'am.
We are very thankful to our Smriti ji. Now, concluding prayers. Now, please repeat loudly. ॐ नत्वहं कामये राज्यम्
ॐ नत्वहं कामये राज्यम्
न स्वर्गं न पुनर्भवम्
न स्वर्गं न पुनर्भवम्
कामये दुःखतप्तानाम्
कामये दुःखतप्तानां
प्राणिनां मूर्तिनाशनम्
प्राणिनां मूर्तिनाशनम्
सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि
सर्वस्तरतु दुर्गाणि
सर्वभद्राणि पश्यतु
सर्वो भद्राणि पश्यतु
सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु
सर्वसद्बुद्धिमाप्नोतु
सर्वत्र नन्दतु
सर्वत्र नन्दतु
दुर्जन सज्जनो भूयात् सज्जन शान्तिमाप्नुयात् शान्तो मुच्येत बन्देभ्यो मुक्तश्च ज्ञान विमोचयेत् स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषा गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् लोके लोका समस्त सुखिनो भवन्तु
लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु
मूकं करोति वाचालम्
मोखं करोति वाचालं
पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिम्
अङ्गं लङ्घयति गिरिं
यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे
यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे
परमानन्दमाधवम् कायेन वाच मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा
कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा
बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात्
बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतिस्वभावात्
करोमि यद्य सकलं परस्मै
करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै
नारायणायेति समर्पयामि प्रीयतां पुण्डरीकाक्षः
प्रियतां पुण्डरीकाक्षः
सर्वयज्ञेश्वरो हरिः
सर्वयज्ञेश्वरो हरिः
तस्मिन् तुष्टे जगत्तुष्टम्
तस्मिन् तुष्टे जगत्तुष्टम्
प्रीणिते प्रीणितं जगत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् श्रीरामकृष्ण प्रणमस्तु Wow, wonderful, Ji. Very nice. Next class we will meet. Please participate in our activity group. Thank you, Jai Ram Krishna.